Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change TikTok password. So if you want to change your TikTok password, first of all open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok application, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner, and then tap on the three-part icon which is on the top right, and tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, tap on account and then tap on password. So after tapping on the password, you have to enter your email address. So after tapping on that password, it will send you a message on your email address. To get that message, tap on send code, and now you will receive a 6-digit code on your email. And just open up your email address. Over here you can find your 6-digit code. Just copy that code and paste it over here. So after doing that, you can easily change your password. So now you just have to enter your password in the first blank. So after entering your password, just tap on next. After tapping on next, you have successfully changed your password. So this is how you change your password on your TikTok application. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.